3 decaf coffee brands that are worth a try. If you're like most coffee drinkers, you probably enjoy a nice, strong cup of joe now and then. But what if you want to enjoy the taste of coffee without all the caffeine? These 3 decaf coffee brands are definitely worth a try. Each one has its own unique flavor that is sure to please your palate. So the next time you're looking for a delicious way to relax, give one of these coffees a try. You won't be disappointed. First on the list is Swiss water process decaf coffee. If you're a coffee lover who's looking to cut back on caffeine, Swiss water process decaf coffee is a great option. This type of coffee is decaffeinated using only water and no chemical solvents. The coffee beans are first soaked in hot water to remove the caffeine. Then the water is passed through a charcoal filter that removes the caffeine molecules. This process leaves the coffee beans virtually untouched, so they retain their flavor and aroma. Swiss water process decaf coffee has a slightly different flavor than regular coffee, but it's still smooth and rich. And best of all, it won't keep you up at night. Next is the Caf Altura decaf coffee. Caf Altura's decaf coffee is made using a natural mountain water process that gently removes the caffeine from the beans. This results in a coffee that has a rich, full flavor and a delicious aroma. The coffee beans are roasted to perfection, then ground and brewed to create a cup of coffee that is truly unique. When you drink Caf Altura decaf coffee, you'll enjoy all the same great taste and flavor without the caffeine. So whether you're looking for an alternative to regular coffee or just want to enjoy a cup of decaf coffee, Caf Altura is the perfect choice. Finally, the Java Planet Decaf Coffee. Java Planet Decaf Coffee is a unique product that offers all the flavor and aroma of regular coffee without the caffeine. The coffee is made using an organic, chemical-free process that removes the caffeine from the beans. This results in a coffee that has a smooth, rich flavor and a delightful aroma. Java Planet Decaf Coffee is also Fair Trade certified, ensuring that the farmers who grow the coffee beans are paid a fair price for their crop. In addition, the company uses recycled and recyclable materials for their packaging. As a result, Java Planet Decaf Coffee is not only a delicious coffee option, but also a socially and environmentally responsible choice. All of these brands use the Swiss water process to decaffeinate their coffee, which is a gentle and environmentally friendly method that results in a great tasting cup of coffee. So if you're looking for a decaf option that doesn't sacrifice flavor, then be sure to check out one of these 3 brands. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.